Hey Sam, want a carrot? Well, here's the 2 containers of carrots that I've had sitting here all summer, right next to the deck bed with the peppers. Time to harvest. Let's see what we got. Let's hit up this big one first, the big pot. All right, now this was an experiment. I did not separate these carrots, so they should be rather small, but we'll find out. There's 3 different kinds of carrots in here. Rather small, but you know, for no effort. Okay, that first pot, not too bad for no effort whatsoever. The grandkids will love them and they'll cook up great in stews. Thumbs up. All right, here's the second one. Here's a nice one. Oh, there's a decent one. Okay, well, that container was pitiful. But again, grandkids will love them and they'll go great in stews. It's easier if you go fast. You're not going fast. Go fast. Just don't stop. Just keep going. See what I mean? Now turn and go fast. Just keep going. Keep going. You're slowing down. Don't slow down. Just go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Don't stop. Just keep going. Okay, put your other foot there and take a break. All right, now go fast. You haven't fallen once. That's okay. All right, say bye. I'm losing battery. All right, do the ta-da. Ta-da! All right, good job. What are you doing, Wyatt? Yeah, we'll get to work here in a minute. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.